Why, hello there. Have you ever struggled to find a deal for a restaurant that you want to go to? Well, I have, and I like to eat out a lot, so I created this app for your phone. That's not my phone. Your phone. So, this app called Mew has restaurant like a list of restaurant deals inside of the app and has a search bar where you can search the deals up and they'll show up. But how does this work? I'll show you right now. So, how does this app work through coding? It uses web scraping to get restaurant deals from the internet, and that is converted into JSON format. Right here is the link to the JSON. The JSON is then parsed so that can be used via Java, and using Android Studio, the JSON is formatted so that it can be viewed in a neat way. So, of course, I already said this, but the whole thing is made in Java. An adapter, I called adapter E, makes the view for the data and is used as a bridge between an adapter view and the underlying data for that view and allows access to the data items. The recycler view that I created was used to actually show all of the data and it populates a list based on the data provided by view holder and displays it. So this is the actual front end of it. It's created in XML and it takes info from the backend and displays it in a way that is user friendly and visually pleasing. So, the actual app. This is the actual app. And if you search a restaurant right here, like Subway, it'll show that restaurant. If you search a restaurant that isn't in there, such as Portillo's, it'll say no data found at the bottom. Of course, showing this was a challenge. There was nothing showing at first, and I had to debug it. So the logic through this was I showed the restaurant list before anything is shown. So like the original format is the restaurant list, and it keeps showing the restaurant list if there is no searches found. And if there is something found using the search, it shows a filtered list like so. In the future, I would like to add a login system so that people could maybe star restaurants, like favorite them, so that they could find the restaurants more easily, and maybe create like a machine learning feature so that the app could recommend some restaurants or deals.